Right, did we finish the vlog, Ames?
No.
Didn't finish it again.
We were eating our Popeyes.
Yeah.
Excuses.
Anyway, today we had Gate Lambert, didn't we?
Not burps.
No, but like within ourselves
yeah.
saying we wanted to go there. But we're gonna have a change up plan, more of a relaxing day because we've been doing parks and on stop. So we're gonna this morning we're going to Celebration, then Florida Mall, isn't it?
I don't know, you keep saying this, I have no idea.
Yeah, I think that's the plan.
Because it's you that says, let's go to Florida Mall.
I don't know.
We're just going with the flow. I think so. No one said no, so I think so.
I think it's going to be Celebration, Florida Mall, and then on the way back go and look around Outdoor World for one last time.
For the third time.
No, for one proper look. One final and proper look. We're just following O. He's going to get fuel in his gas guzzler. So yeah, probably catch up with you when we are at Celebration. Do you reckon that's unmarked police at Dodge Charger? It's brand new. That's leaving it.
It's all blacked out.
Yeah. Or like last night, when I was on the phone, all you hear in the background is...
Before we go back, we didn't film the sign.
Some of these places are huge, aren't they?
Yeah, bloody lovely.
Beautiful. This is bloody beautiful.
Doesn't it? It's a snob's vehicle.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Celebration Avenue.
Oh my god, that's... Are we going out of the centre now? Oh yeah, for Starbucks.
In half a mile, turn right onto Campus Street.
Oh.
Not today.
James will be loved.
Will be loved eventually.
That's the tree you wouldn't have had it.
Who's right by it? Oh, I'm going after this.
Go.
On that. You wait there.
I don't know, that was weird.
And they're deflated as well. There's so much deflated. What the hell?
$1.5 million. Look, that's...
Go down it.
Look, chairs are open for you. Oh, it's a turtle, isn't it? Snapping turtle. Oh.
Is he dead?
No, he's eating. Look, looks terrible that way.
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Amy?
Wolfgang, diet bakery. We'll go in there.
5 footer. Look, looks terrible that way.
Yeah.
Look at him looking up.
Yeah, well,
For God's sake.
Get that in the water, see if it's gone.
What do you reckon, Amy?
seen a gator.
Wolfgang, diet bakery. We'll go in there.
Should we try and walk around the whole thing? Yeah. And then that way we'll come back round to where Melissa wanted to go originally.
Yeah,
Well, come back to there.
We're going to come round there,
Look,
cross
round-
that bridge,
Cross that beach to the car.
and it comes round that track.
I nearly walked into that before it started up. Imagine.
What, it blows you back here? What do you reckon, eh? It's nice, and celebration's always good.
I'm filming you.
Filming me, filming you. No, celebration's always good, and to come down to.
Lovely. Especially on a day
Good
like
atmosphere.
today. 25 degrees.
11 o'clock.
My watch on.
It's 11 o'clock, and it's
25 degrees.
and we're in December. There's so many Christmas decks out and stuff, but it throws you off. It does not feel like December, does it?
It's not very Christmassy.
No, not in this weather. It's not.
It's Christmas. It's Christmassy like with the decorations and stuff.
Yeah,
We're used to like frosty Christmas.
yeah. So
I want to go in some of these shops.
already seen a few alligators, a couple of alligators, seen a couple of turtles.
And a terrapin.
Terrapin we've seen. Yeah, they're two little heads stuck up. You can just see
Yeah,
the ripple
beef
of
it
the
is.
water. They're just
Yeah.
Gators, mate.
Okay.
You know what?
I won't worry about
Snakes
snakes.
are worse in my opinion.
No.
Live in, let's celebrate. Oh, blue jays.
They're so cute. Very cute.
Far down, the northern mockingbird.
Get the cardinals around by the villa, don't we?
See, there's a walk down through the wood there, look.
Is that a toxic titmouse?
No, that other one on the bird.
Hey, he's fishing here.
Ask him what you
Ask me if he's caught in the gators.
Yeah, Dad, you should ask him what he's fishing for.
That it'll just be smallmouth bass and stuff. Nah, no, do I?
Look at the bird.
Yeah, there's that other one on the bird.
all he'll end up doing, Melissa, yeah, he'll hook a fish, and then as he's reeling it in, an alligator will chase it down. Hey, that look like a snake. It's a stick. It's a stick, mate.
Is that a what now, look? All right. Beautiful.
It's a fish.
Beautiful.
Weird, isn't it?
Where are you looking?
That on top of the wall, it's got like spikes on it. Looks weird.
Let me zoom in.
Is it just a stick?
Stick that it keeps bubbling.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
Is that because the other end of it's in the
Dad,
mud?
you lot, everyone.
You'd just come in for a little stroll, wouldn't you? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Come back with 3 legs and go touch it. Just you said that there's no keep that water.
She'd love it, wouldn't she?
You would have to keep on a leg.
Yeah, you would.
Let her
No.
work it.
What, a little grey one? Yeah, look there. Some wood being chopped in there or something.
Go on, buddy.
They pull them shells apart and eat the. So a lot of people rent bikes from here, and we parked the other side of that building. And you can either shortcut it and come around this way, or do the half-mile walk round the lake. Should we have a walk up there? But yeah, you can rent your bikes from there. There's prices.
Next week.
$20, that's not bad.
No, not
Oh no,
really.
Jess, I've got trailers, look. We can have a trailer each.
Is it? See, this is a.
Another reason. Gators hiss like cats. Oh, another reason why I like keeping cats.
There she is. There, left. Look, there's an alligator there. Or is that terrapin?
Pool filters in it.
No, here, look. Terrapin.
Yeah, might as well walk over and we can go back down.
It's just
Mary sits
This.
there, we can come in that way. Oh, no.
This feels
Little tiny bite.
don't know the saying, but
What's this?
Look at him sunbathing, he's got his arms out and everything. Shall I put my old croc up against him?
oh look, he's sunning himself, big.
Oh, look at his back legs. He's got boo-boo legs. He's got a little bubble back
Get
there.
your eye out for the old gators in the water.
Yeah, in the house and messing around too much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you have a look up there, it don't even look like you're in Florida anymore. Why did you Mum,
Lovely.
tomorrow, it's almost as if does it? So this, we're on another boardwalk now. We probably walked about a mile to get here, and we're still on Celebration land. Yeah, pumpkin down there. So yeah, we've walked about a mile, and this boardwalk takes you to another great big lake. Ethan's saying, oh yeah, I can sit through there.
Do you want to go to another lake, do we?
No, I'm just going to walk out to it and then walk back. They're all sat on the bench. Oh, look at that giant old tree.
Yeah.
So we'll just have a quick glance and then head back to them lot. Oh, there's some lovely places over there, yeah. Humongous!
We should get a dog walk. It's only your responsibility.
Yeah. Right, Amy wants to look in that dog bakery thing. I don't know if it's open, but anyway. Tree is beautiful, Ames. Yeah, you do have horses there, don't you? There's a Christmas shop there. Oh, it smells lovely.
Oh, it smells like Christmas.
These.
This one? No, that's not the full one. Oh, yeah, I know it is.
Stella has one and I don't.
They're alright though.
The shop is so cute. So much stuff.
Little Rudy socks.
Okay. Really good for some.
But the uncle's only from like Fortnite.
Some cool t-shirts. That's probably my favourite one. Get it across them.
That lady can't control her dog. It's been attacked.
So this ice rink, so it's just a temporary ice rink, opens at 4 PM till 10 PM every night. Oh, we're going in there. I love a bakery. Bread looks nice down there.
Yeah.
Just come into this shop. It's called
Celebration.
Soft as a Grape.
Oh.
Little clothes. The pricing is similar pricing to Disney, isn't it? You can tell Disney own it. I like these little t-shirts. Here's drums on a t-shirt. Here's drum. Aaron, here's drummer on a t-shirt.
Oh yeah.
Go on then. Good old girl. Hello. So many snacks for little Roo. We'll get her some stuff. We'll take her something home. She's got her bacon. I doubt it.
No, yeah.
This is what I wanted to see.
Really good.
Oh, look at these little squirrels. Huh? Puppy toys. Little Yorkie. Beef jerky.
Hamburgers.
Hamburgers. Thing is, she doesn't eat stuff like this
No.
because we bought all those mince pies.
What's that?
Oh, Reg. Should we get her one? Do you think she'll eat these?
What? Probably not.
God, why is she so miserable?
5 minutes. Yeah, let's wait on the 6.
5 minutes.
What do you think of that then?
If Suki wasn't so fussy, I'd have spent a lot of money in there. She doesn't eat nice stuff.
It's good now. I didn't really see the prices. What was it priced at?
Well, that little bow that I said Cheryl should get for Fesca, they're $7, and it's literally a hair clip with the bow stuck on it.
Right, yeah, you
The
just do
treats
your
weren't
own,
too
couldn't
much
you?
though. They're $1.50.
Oh, were they?
Yeah, it's not that
What,
bad.
for the, like, crocodile ones and stuff?
$1.50 for the uniced and $2 for the iced.
Oh, nice.
And the iced are quite big.
Yeah. There he is, right up against the edge.
Oh yeah, there it is. Excuse me.
We're getting ice cream.
All right. All right.
Walked enough.
Oh, it smells beautiful, innit? Some chocolates, toffees, sweets, popcorn, toffee apples, caramel apples. $7.50, $6.75.
They love it. Oh, sorry. They love a toffee apple.
Truffles and stuff. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Four sea salt and 2 peanut butter.
What do you reckon?
I think I'm gonna get an M&M crispy, but I'm just like you said, cautious about the chocolate. Because USA chocolate is
Not the best chocolate in the world, I must say.
not delectable.
But loads of cute stuff.
It's very nice decorated, especially them little
Yeah, they are so cute.
They've got this ones over here, following.
Oh yeah.
Mint ones.
Aww. Like there's like brittle, isn't it?
Maybe a
That was
ride.
dear.
Yeah.
For how much ice cream you
$9
get?
for literally like the cones like this and the ice cream's like
Those
this.
things that you
Yeah, it's ridiculous,
It was
isn't it?
very expensive.
if they want to go to the corner.
As you can hear, we're off to Florida. Oh, pardon me, Florida Mall. And then I think everyone wants to do Cheddars after, so that'll be good. We managed to park there, which is literally just across from the tavern, and then Starbucks is on the corner there. So, just going to quickly shoot in Starbucks and just get a little snack. Keep us going until we get to Cheddar's. Lovely weather, it's really hot. I think it's up to 25 already. It's only 12:05, or it's 26 it's saying. So yeah, lovely weather.
We're doing the mandatory Starbucks trip, aren't we? Look at all their gift cards.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
What you get?
lemon glue.
And then get a.
Chicken, maybe butter, and sandwich.
Get a drink. Get a drink. Mobile pickup, all done alphabetically. What are we getting, Ames?
We're getting a lemon loaf.
It's nice. Yeah.
And a frozen strawberry acai lemonade. It's $15.
Here you go, Amy's already got it, so let's have a look. Oh, that looks good.
The icing's been demolished.
Oh, you doing a taste test, are you? As good as the Walmart one? Oh, okay. Yeah, good.
Second taste test. Brownie.
My choice.
Aaron's choice.
And it's been heated up, warm. Amy will test it first. Oh, it smells lovely.
Going on this? With the weight. Try that.
Oh yeah, that is very good.
Best brownie probably I've ever had.
Anyway, I'll get my drink. I'm getting a frozen strawberry acai and
Lemonade.
Oh yeah, frozen lemonade.
No. It's the lemonade. Thank you.
Here it is. Nah. Oh, what?
Right,
You want me to do a
taste
taste
test.
test? Ooh, on me up, Shaz. Ooh.
Good.
Yeah, look, these are the crocs I've got as well.
After he pulled the strap out,
I didn't.
couldn't get him back in,
I've done that.
and then he had a mental breakdown. He's really upset. But then old Papa managed to get him back in, didn't he, Aaron?
Yeah, you know.
With a bit of force. I think they're designed to be changed, but they're just really hard, so obviously they don't fall out when you undo them.
Because you can get different colour straps. These are obviously
He
adjustable.
thought he'd go for the orange, and then realised that's when he knew he effed up.
Yeah.
So we're just enjoying our coffee with a view.
Coffee.
Well, I've got coffee, they've got coffee. Not me. Drinks with a view.
I feel like I did hear you, but strawberry. Dad makes the rules as if it goes.
As you drive up by the Christmas.
March to Ministry of. Oh, that's good, Ames. That's a quality tree, that is. Khaki scat, khaki scat. Hey, look at that gator in there. That's a little bit
Florida Mall is absolutely rammed. And now we're going in Hot Topic.
Right there as well.
It is rammed.
Do you think it's something?
Yeah.
Where'd the other girl go?
Up there on the left. Lounge flies. Where's Liz? Liz! Lisa!
$50. That's pretty good.
That's cheap.
Ones, aren't they?
Yeah.
No padded strap or anything to them, but
Okay.
no lounge fly badge should be met.
I know, surely they can't call their sets lounge by pen lock.
Oh my god.
That's what happens when you lean on them. Buggy goes. Oh my god, Liz. Love him. Put their place. Amy. There's quiet.
Yeah, look, the zips aren't the same, Ames.
Oh
Zips
no,
aren't
they're
the
not
same,
real.
That's just a stitched up thing. They're not.
Yeah, no, they're not real.
I think they're just
They're dupes,
duplicate ones, yeah.
which is why they're not. That's cute. Yeah, shell. They're not real. Yeah, go on, girl. Yeah, this one seems really small.
This has got no shirting in it though, really. Like
No
tees.
t-shirts.
No.
Might have another one. Yeah, it's round. I'm good, thanks. Sprite that Shell's just throwing around. She's going to buy herself a pair. Little bags. What's that meant?
McDonald's? That's the
Oh, it is McDonald's, yeah.
what's his name?
Not Ronald.
No, it's something burglar.
Grey one.
Damn it.
Look at the clogs.
I know the other day, 'cause you asked me that same exact thing in another Fox store.
Oh.
Who's that? And I went, it's McDonald's. It's
It's some McDonald's burglar. Too flashy for me.
Where are your fangs?
Shake Shack.
Are you going to video anything over there?
Maybe.
So I'm interested in, I like the 550s. In the UK you can't really get many different ones. They've got some good colours and stuff over here. But I'm now interested in 2002 New Balance. Tried them on, they fit lovely. These are $150. The 550s are $110 and $120. They're 110. These are 130. Sorry, the grey ones at the top there, suede. But yeah, loads of choice. Good thing coming to like a mall, you get loads of different colours and stuff, so it's always handy.
Right, Liz, where are we, mate?
Shake Shack.
think that one.
But they actually do loads of food and stuff as well. There's shakes, frozen custard, wine. I'm just going for a cookies and cream shake, and you order on these little tablets and then pay by card. It's really busy in here though. But it smells good.
We'll see.
What is it?
Cookies and cream. Try it.
Of course it would be.
Tell me that's not good.
Yeah, is it the same as last year? What's the price?
6.
Oh, that's better. Not so much of a kick in the...
Mister, I'm
Jules.
going to get some $150 trainers.
Yeah, because it's something you're going to wear on your feet for a year or a couple of years.
Remember this milkshake for the rest of my life.
Will ya?
Yeah.
Alright, fair enough. Right, I think we're off to a Cinnabon there.
I can't eat another one of them. That was
No. Not after Universal. Alright, I think we're off to Abercrombie now, over Summit. No, it's crazy. So anyway, we're going to go to Abercrombie. It's towards the way out anyway, so we're out that way.
And then we'll leave.
Yeah, then we'll leave. Well,
Right, we're just heading out the outlets now, the mall. It's too busy. On our way out, we got some Dippin' Dots. What they're like.
Like the old Calippos.
Yeah, we got the rainbow. If you remember the little Calippo, like, balls that you used to get. I don't think they do them anymore. But they're like that. But we should have got a medium because that's a large and there's way too many in there.
Yeah.
But this is good. There's lots of shops, but it's obviously not like the outlets where they have deals and stuff on. And it's just absolutely jam-packed today. So it's too much. It's too like claustrophobic in here. So we're just heading back to the car and then we're going to go to Cheddar's. Yeah.
We found them.
We're in JCPenney's. Just found some jumpers.
They've always got good stuff in
They got Tom and
JCPenney.
Jerry one there. It's quite cute. Big old T&J.
They've
on
always
the
got-
front.
T&J.
Yeah, Tom and Jerry.
And they've always got deals on as well in there.
Yeah, I just found a t-shirt that was $29.50 and then 30% off, so it's about 20 quid.
Yeah, something around that.
19 quid, something like that.
Oh yeah, that is really good.
This is huge, though, because this basically surrounds the whole mall, and you can get to it from any end of the
I'll tell you what,
mall.
if you've ever been to Milton Keynes, it's like Debenhams. It goes out everywhere and up.
Yeah,
That's what it's like.
but
The shop itself is like Debenhams, but obviously on steroids.
yeah.
And cheaper.
You slip and slide down the stairs.
Buena wheels. Buena Vista Bentals. You got booters.
We're back in. Where's the menu? I was trying to do a little menu.
Can I get fries?
Guys, you want cheese and bacon on top?
No, just normal please.
Cheddar's. Melissa and Mary haven't
I'll
been
get the
here,
corn
so we
as
thought
well.
we'd come in and show them what it's like.
Okay,
I've gone for the normal tender platter. Aaron's gone for the tenders and ribs.
Yeah, it's what I had last time.
Beef, what do you have?
Same
as what I had last time.
Tender and ribs. We've done our drinks as well, so that will come up quite soon. We've had our croissants with the honey butter over the top. The mall was quite unsuccessful. It was absolutely...
I'll never go back there again.
On a Saturday. It was quite a good mall if it was quiet.
No,
but on a Saturday, like, you're just miserable.
I might go back for them trainers that I showed you. The New Balance, but that will be literally flying busy.
Yes, I think so. Right, now Misery Guts to stop talking.
Never go back there again.
Misery Guts. It's a good mall, but it was just absolutely
My name is Anthony.
shocker.
Give me a couple minutes to grab the drinks and the side salads.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
But yeah, if it was quieter, I think it'd be more successful, but it wasn't. Absolutely rammed. So then we thought there was a Cheddar's by our villa, and there's not. So we've now come to the 192. And then I think
192,
we might
27 down
do
in.
Walmart later.
That way we came. That's quite quick.
Not sure.
Yeah, but what
Here we go. Coming over beef. Sorry.
Oh, lovely.
Cheese, bacon, fries, tenders, corn. That's you.
Thank you.
Tenders barbecue. That's a half rack.
Thank you so much.
So I'll be right back with barbecue for you. Yeah. Right. And then anybody else need any other sauce or anything?
I'm all right, thanks. Fine, thank you.
Thank you. Right, food's arrived.
I went for the combo ribs and chicken, so you get half a rack of ribs, even though it's a full rack in England.
Yeah,
Chicken
it is,
tenders, bacon and cheese fries, and buttered corn.
That corn is so good. So I got the chicken tender platter. I can't remember how much this was. I should have checked. Loaded jacket potato with the bacon edition.
Someone will spin it
and
out.
butter corn with a side of honey mustard dip, Fanta, and a koala. Dig in. That sounds like it should be on Tower of Terror.
What?
That window. That's so good.
Make sure you subscribe, laddie.